Oh yeah, oh yes, yes. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's Jelisa and I am back with this beautiful look. I actually don't know what I'm gonna call this yet, but this is it's pink with purple, and I put a little bit of this silver glitter that I got off Amazon. It came with a bunch of different glitters, even more than this, but I use the silver for this kind of cut crease look, and I really wanted to do a kind of bright type look, and this is what I sat down and came up with. And so I think it turned out really good. As I was doing this tutorial, I didn't know what I was doing, really. I just got all my palettes together and just started putting colors on my eyes. So this is what I came up with. I like it. I hope you guys will enjoy it. And I haven't been on here in a while. I feel like I always say that because I take little miniature breaks sometimes just to, I don't know why I take breaks, but I do. I find myself taking breaks because, I guess because I'm busy, I'm working a lot, and just getting adjusted to the house and just everything. So this is what I came up with. And also, y'all, do y'all like the hair? Do you like the hair? It's the single plaits, single triangle plaits, and I've done these before. I was gonna film it, but I was in a rush, so I went ahead and threw them in, and I did my hair on yesterday. So yeah, I really like these. They're convenient, they're easy, and yeah, if you want something simple, a protective style, these are the way to go. So if you want me to do a tutorial on these, I will. Just let me know, and I will see you guys later. My camera is dying. Sorry I can't talk to you too long, but we'll catch up in another video. Bye, you guys. camera overheated, so that's what makes me sick about this camera. But let's get back to regular scheduled programming.